Hi, today I would like to show you how you can enable initial import feature for regular eazyBI account users. Let's start with this view. I'm an admin of my Jira instance and I have created a few eazyBI accounts. In one of them I have created a lot of reports and I decided which of my Jira users or Jira user groups will have some role in this account to access eazyBI reports. Depending on the role, users will see some of these menus. If you are a user admin, you will see all of them. If you are a reports admin, you will not see source data. If you are a regular user, like in this case, you will not see source data and you cannot initiate incremental changes whenever you need. You will see the reports based on data that is imported as per import frequency. So let's focus on this group. I have a user, John, who has access to this Jira user group, and because this group has a user role in my eazyBI account, user from this group can see this account and see all reports and dashboards, but this user cannot go to the source data screen and initiate manually the import for this eazyBI cube. What if John needs to import the fresh data before meetings and run reports on the very fresh data? So there is a feature for that in eazyBI. So to enable this feature, I as an admin go to the settings of eazyBI, I navigate to advanced settings and I make sure that these two lines are added to eazyBI advanced settings. Once I update this page, I can go back to the users page of the account and I can see that there is a checkbox that I can enable. I will now enable the checkbox that users from this Jira user group who has role user in the account, they can also initiate incremental imports in eazyBI. So now when John goes to eazyBI, he can see also the source data view. In this view, they cannot change anything or configuration, but they can press import to initiate incremental import in eazyBI. I hope it is useful for you and thank you for watching.